Hi, I'm just buffing my Mercedes. Ever since I started reselling at my local flea market, I've been able to move out of my parents' basement and right into this car. Now let's go see how much money I made. Okay, total for about a month and a half-ish is $653. Although I didn't start until like the second week of August. Okay, we're right here at Emporium 40 Flea Market. We're gonna go inside, see what kind of booth they have. Okay, here we are. So basically 4x10 booth, runs $130 a month. I had to pay a $50 deposit, and then total to start was $180. Then I just find myself going through the house, taking stuff that we don't need or use, and taking it to the booth. Even managed to get the garage cleaned up somewhat. Okay, and here's a look at my garage before I started this whole process. Still a lot more stuff that I can take, but...
Mini Porter here. We're at our booth, getting stuff set up. People put crap that isn't ours in our booth, so we're gonna take it up front.
If you end up doing this long term, you can get stuff like this from Amazon. Puts the tags, has a little needle. Yeah, just security tags, because you know there's going to be items that try to walk away, just how it is. And then these cool little tags. So pretty cheap. If you end up doing it long term, you know, it'll help save a little time, but definitely do not have to have any of this stuff. But we'll probably do it a few more months at least, and then see what happens.